I'm like a mother.
And you can make tea out of this? Yeah. Really?
What's it smell like, man? It's minty?
Oh, wow.
Oh.
That's cool.
It's these right here?
Oh, it went on my hand.
Yeah, I just said I smell leather. I can smell it from right here. It smells like I smell some type of minty.
Oh, yeah, it's alright. Okay,
We're
come
doing
on.
something right now.
Free festival for us is Tuesday. We go to festival Tuesday.
Y'all got it Tuesday?
Then we go to festival like tonight. Well, this outfit right in there.
What's those, woodpecker?
I don't know. They said the beaver. He said the beaver did all that down there.
We usually play Martin.
They said the beaver did that. Did you know that a beaver doesn't never use his front teeth?
You lose them?
It'll grow through his jaw. It'll just continue to grow.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
Sound like kids at home in the summertime. Grind their teeth and just all the time.
You know, you gotta expound on it. I don't expect it to be perfect, but he did tell me things. Okay. Excellent. We're all going to learn into that.
Okay.
It's a path. It's not in a matter of war, it's a path.
The follow the criteria of the,
It's just a path.
okay.
It's about internet.
Yeah, I'm saying it might fall in there. Okay, there's shell casings out here, so that's what it is. It's a hunting house. I see shell casings out here. Oh, they had to go up there. They could not resist. They just could not resist. They going to Bigfoot house. They just could not resist. Oh, that's what shotgun shells all over the place, man. So they must be doing some quail hunt, I guess.
See that Bigfoot over here?
What'd y'all find out? Did y'all find anything?
Nothing.
Come with a report.
Few honeycombs. Few honeycombs been shot at, bullets
Okay.
in there.
20 times.
You did? Okay.
Look out! Shotgun shells over there. There shotgun shells?
Yeah, the whole bunch are right there.
Whoa. Oh, wow.
Walking through some type of shed. Not sure exactly where we are at. Had electricity out here for a while. Dog it. David, we're going east.
What?
We're going east.
Other than the nature science. And so this is what it feels like to live in the wilderness. And the wilderness is a place where you don't see anything made by human beings. It's just nature. Okay? So we're doing a little exploring. I do know where I am, but I'm just trying to figure out how things are connected, that sort of thing, and trying to see if this is a whole road there. So. Well, there is a hardwood right there. It looks like it's a pine, but it's not actually. That's a cedar tree. Pine tree, no more than 30 years old. So 40 years ago, when your parents were being born, that's when they found them. Okay.
Wow. What's all that bird noise though? Is that bird? Those birds?
Those are birds. They're letting everybody know we out here.
Yeah.
You are absolutely right.
Oh yeah, high altitude. Yes, high altitude. Yeah.
Let's just sit here for a little.
Does anybody got a kite? Anybody got a kite?
Right here.
He was 86 years old.
Uh huh.
And walking with some young bloods about their age. And like they are doing now, they were crashing on the ground. And I said to one of them, I said, you all right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just worried about that old man there. I said, don't worry about that old man. He got his backpack on, and you're lying down, breathing hard, and he's breathing normal.
No, yeah, don't worry about him.
Don't worry about him. I'm worried about you.
I don't know how we walked up a hill and came to open field, but I mean you can see the mountain way over there somewhere. Let me zoom in on it.
It's a cotton field.
Wow.
There's a mountain, so we are definitely on top of the
All
mountain.
those areas that we came through, many of those areas were open just like this.
Yeah.
But you give it 10, 15, 20 years, trees start growing up and you don't mow it.
Wow.
You have firing range.
Yep. I hear the fire range. I heard that one. So,
That's the wind.
so who's maintaining this land right here?
A friend,
Okay. All right. You got the voice. There's a name. Okay.
a green friend.
A green friend. Okay. Man, this is incredible.
A good friend.
This is now we got a campsite for real.
I mean,
Come out here and fire kite.
You go ahead. I'm serious. Yeah. When we get back to the nature center, can we look at the trail we took? Can you look at the mountain, that map, and map out what route we took? Because I'm just trying to figure it out. We got to put our bearings.
A lot of stuff we hike is not on.
Hard than the start. The last one was when we went to Hard Labor Creek.
Uh huh.
A lot harder than we anticipated. And now we're gonna go up that mountain.
Yep.
All right, he needs to go ahead and take us back home.
You think you're gonna take us back to the altar? Is that what it was? The altar, right?
Take us back to our vehicle. This is a good day. I'm glad I didn't bring my backpack.
I mean, I feel good, man. I could have carried me some more weight.
Oh, I feel good.
Here. See right there? That's the sea. See that right there? Flake it up like that to come out. It's the sea. See that sea? See? Okay. So pioneer cone fell, seed fell, came and landed in this pool of water. Every time it rains, where the dark is, you know the rain came down, brought sediment with it. And then this pine seed took root. Started to grow, started to grow. Yeah, but you see the roots are superficial because it couldn't go in. This is about as deep as it could go. It's sediment hole. But then this year, after this tree is probably 30 years old, a big wind came by, blew it over. And that's true for, you know, most of these trees around here.
In due time, it'll get
Oh, yeah,
blown
take
over.
them out. Yeah, pines don't last long anyway.
Right.
But others will come and take
It's
your
kind of
place.
hard not just then.
wow. That is really neat.
Cool.